Imos. We could find how amazing of Imors commercial blender. Yes, this is Imors blender container. Okay, let's go. The fluid mixed food forming 4 small eddy currents once they crash the cup wall. Small eddy currents sucked into the bottom of the large eddy, and they becoming a stable upper and lower convection. The result is the foods could be enough smash. We'll look at the terrible mixing result of other brand. Amazing, intelligent, more. Imos. Find our products by searching keywords Imos Juicer at Amazon.com. Imos.
With salt shakers, salt mills, and our fingers, we have no actual control over the salt. We've all experienced oversalting our food, and sometimes some bites have more or less salt than others. That's why we developed Taste Stick. Taste Stick puts you in control. It's the first and only dispenser for the perfect pinch of salt. With every use, Taste Stick dispenses 30 milligrams of salt. That's just 1/160th of a teaspoon that sprays in a perfect pattern, so you end up with a delicious dish.
Get great tasting food with lower sodium intake for you and your family. With Taste Stick, you simply pull the trigger and Taste Stick dispenses the salt evenly across your food. By seasoning this way, your taste receptors receive the perfect amount of salt sensation with every bite. You will be amazed to find out how little salt is actually needed for the perfect taste when using Taste Stick. Taste Stick changes your food for better taste with less sodium. Taste Stick is also easy to refill. The window on the side lets you know when it's time to refill. Taste Stick is maintenance-free, easy to clean, and operates without batteries.